Cuvelai-Etosha basin are reportedly subsiding after a long absence of rainfalls. Now I'm joined by a senior hydrologist in the Cuvelai-Etosha basin, Leonard Hango, to really just give us the status quo pertaining to the floods.
In general terms, the flood situation in the Cuvelai-Etosha basin is subsiding. This follows the absence of rainfall in both local Cuvelai catchment part of Namibia and also on the upper stream in southern Angola. Even though the much inundation are still observed in those streams that got flooded, the levels are generally lower than in comparison to the levels in the previous weeks. But we still have constituencies that are affected by the wave as it goes downstream, and these are constituencies of Oshana, Ompunja constituency, and then Okatana constituency. So in those areas, much inundation are still observed, and you still have higher levels in the streams. Now this indicates to us that the two flood waves that were reported in the first week of January is passing and is gradually flowing down towards the Etosha National Park in that large pen. So, but we were fortunate also to visit the Angolan part, which is the headwaters of our flood water source. But then the situation also on the ground there indicates as well a decline in the water levels on those streams. So we do not, as for now, expect any flood waves to come and hit the area. This is basically because of the absence of rain in both local and then also upper catchment of the basin.
Mr. Hango, you were last week in Angola just for a visit to see the situation there. Can you maybe just briefly tell us how it is that side and how it's likely to affect Namibia?
The rivers there also indicates we could see the flood marks that were higher, and then they are now generally lower than the previous levels, and then that signifies that indeed there's no any wave coming, and unless we receive rainfall in the upcoming days.
Mr. Hango, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, NBC.